In this video, I will show you how to repost an Instagram post. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Instagram application on your phone. It will take you straight to the Instagram homepage. Here, you will find posts and stories shared by your friends and the accounts you follow. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Over here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to your feed and open any post from here. If you want to share this post to Facebook, then tap on the three dots on the top right corner above the post. From here, select Share to Facebook to share it. Now, go back to the post. Tap on the share icon below the post as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. You can also add this post to your story by selecting Add to Story. If you want to share this post to other platforms, go to the bottom and tap on Share To. Over here, explore all the options by swiping left. You can share this post to various platforms such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Mail, Messages, Snapchat, and many more. You can also copy the link and share it with your friends. And that's it. You can easily repost an Instagram post.